cultures and traditions.
Ada wayang landung. Bentuk wayang raksasa yang merupakan rekonstruksi wayang golek dalam ukuran besar dan juga papan desa.
So we'll be watching
Oh, so this one arrived as a wayang landung first. These
Wayang
are not the
landung.
scarecrows. I'm sorry. The scarecrows are the one in the back dancing. So we can expect a very colorful, very eventful parade from this group. Please, ladies and gentlemen, give a warm welcome once more for Sangga Citra Budaya. Tremendous effort, tremendous costume. Giant wayang landung, ladies and gentlemen. Amazing lighting.
divided by compartments, and that was the wayang landung.
Now, yeah.